Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to talk about fragments. और आपको मालूम है कि fragments हमारी राइटिंग में बहुत कॉमन होते हैं और this is my common observation while I evaluate the work of aspirants for CSS and PMS exam or other competitive exams. I come across at many places fragments. They write very long sentences, yet they are not complete sentences and they are fragments. And when I ask them, they don't know whether it is a fragment or complete statement sentence. So there are few things that can tell us whether it is a fragment or a complete sentence. And complete sentence is a structure that gives complete meaning. It has a subject, it has a verb, and it has an object. In this lecture, we will be talking about various cases of fragments and how do we fix them. Okay. There are certain distinguishing features of a sentence fragment. Like here is a statement: ran to the store faster than a rabbit. Statement: ran to the store faster than a rabbit. We see what is missing. We don't know who ran to the store. So subject is missing. In this case, my favorite history teacher seems okay, but it isn't okay because verb is missing in this structure. When we say my favorite history teacher, this might be subject. My favorite history teacher, we can say, is in the class now, but that verb is missing here. For better or worse, that is called leftover phrase. We do not know what is it modifying. For better or worse, whether it is about the decision, whether it is about some happening. Sometimes there is a clause which is abandoned and it seems a complete sentence, but it isn't a complete sentence. We call it an abandoned clause. When my mother married my father, what happened? What was special at that time other than that thing? Or sometimes we use such as, for example, especially, but that is a misuse. Like we begin a sentence. For example, my brother was practicing martial arts. How do we say it? So this is misuse of, for example. Did something else happen at that time when he was practicing, or what was the case? We don't know. For example, my brother was practicing martial arts. It looks okay. Strange thing is, this statement looks okay, that there is a subject, there is a verb, and there is object. Yet this is misuse of such as, for example, especially. We do not begin a sentence like that and end it. So we will be talking about these in detail in next slides. There are three ways to fix a fragment. First one is to attach the fragment to nearby complete sentence. If it is a fragment, you can see the sentence that follows it or the sentence that before it. You can attach it with that and your sentence would be correct. Issue of fragment would be resolved. Or you can revise the statement and add whatever is missing, either subject missing, verb missing, complete thought is missing, whatever is missing, you can add that. Third case is you rewrite the whole structure, even the passage. You can revise the 2-3 sentences into single one. You can rewrite the fragment or the whole passage that involves a fragment. So there are three ways to deal with it. One is you have a fragment, attach it with other sentence either before it or after it, or you can add something that is missing, subject, verb, or complete thought, or you rewrite the entire structure so that the case of fragment is resolved. Now we will be doing it one by one. Attaching fragment to the nearby complete sentence. How do we do that? Here is a case. I forgot to eat breakfast on the morning of my driver's test. Now, on the morning of my driver's test is a phrase. You attach this one to the previous sentence. Like, I forgot to eat breakfast on the morning of my driver's test. If the front door is locked, full stop, use the back entrance. Here, what we can do, we remove a full stop and attach this part to the previous sentence. If the front door is locked, use the back entrance. Second case is whatever is missing, you add that. Either it is subject, verb, complete thought. Here is a case. My roommate's plug, my roommate's plug, pug, sorry. My roommate's pug loves to lie around in the sun all day. Joe to train every day. Here, verb is missing. What do we do? Who trains? Joe to train. Verb is missing. What does it train? You can say Joe trains every day for the marathon next month. Because verb are missing, Joe trains. Joe to train is not okay. Joe to train every day. This is infinitive. We do not use infinitive without a proper verb before it. So you change it into a proper verb. You say Joe trains every day for the marathon next month. Or you can say Joe is training every day for the marathon next month. Similarly, you can rewrite the whole fragment that contains a fragment. I mean, there is a passage, there is a structure that contains fragment, you can rewrite it. Here is a case. Our new landlord was expected to make changes, such as fixing the plumbing, installing a new washer, and replacing the security gate. This is, as I said, misuse of such as. Has not done any of it yet, and weeks have passed. You can rewrite it like that. Our new landlord was expected to make changes, comma, such as fixing the plumbing, installing a new washer, and replacing the security gate lock. This is the appropriate way. Or you can do it like that. You can put a colon here and remove this such as. After colon, you can say fixing the plumbing, installing a new washer, and replacing the security gate lock, full stop. These are the two options. But placing a full stop here, like here, is wrong. And then saying such as, or yeah, or saying for example, or saying especially, that would be wrong thing. You can use this structure by put a comma and put this expression such as, especially, for example, or you remove a comma and put a full colon here and delete such as also. Then there would be series of words: fixing the plumbing, installing a new washer, and replacing the security gate lock. Thank you very much. These were few cases of uh, fixing fragments. So I hope this would be very much useful for you. You can keep following my lectures. I will be uploading more good lectures for you. Thank you very much.